Paradigm's approach to sound revolutionized the way loudspeakers were made, and we were quickly recognized as a major player in home audio. Today, Paradigm keeps its edge with in-house manufacturing and quality control unlike any other company in North America. Paradigm headquarters in Toronto includes manufacturing for not only the cabinet, but also crossovers and amplifiers, as well as bass, mid-range, and tweeter drivers. All of this side by side with in-house research and development, where Paradigm continues to push the boundaries of audio measuring technology.
At Paradigm, we don't buy speaker parts from other companies. Tweeters and woofers and mid-range drivers, we build them. So we have ultimate control over the process, and therefore we can get exactly what we want with the quality tolerances that we insist upon.
Paradigm is a very vertically integrated manufacturer, and we're fairly unique in that. We design our own woofers, we wind voice coils, put together the magnet structures. We manufacture our own cones and surrounds. We build power amplifiers in-house, put parts in our circuit boards, have a woodworking shop for the cabinets. We have a machine shop. We even make our own tools and dies here. We can put together everything to do with a loudspeaker or amplifier on premise.
One of the biggest advantages of our manufacturing tools that we use in-house is we can have a very controlled quality process. Every person who participates in manufacturing, they're their own quality inspector. I'm going to have every sample being validated directly while it's coming out from a machine.
You know, when we build parts rather than buy parts, it allows us to produce a better performing speaker at a lower cost than most of the competitive brands.
I think there's a real sense of pride in the manufacturing here at Paradigm. You know, employees really appreciate and want to see the best out of the products that are manufactured here.
In an era where the process of manufacturing is often divorced from the process of design and testing, Paradigm's approach is a huge advantage.
We try to have a very collaborative effort within all the discipline of the departments. So into industrial design, mechanical design, acoustics, electronics. We will work with wood shop, we'll work with our machine shop, we'll work with painting, bathing. We get a lot of the teams to comment on manufacturing techniques, gives us some ideas. I'd rather go up to the manufacturing expert and ask him, what can we do here together to make this the best possible product?
Paradigm's quality control process uses tools from the National Research Council's groundbreaking study on acoustics. Once again, Paradigm has the right tools at their fingertips.
This is the anechoic chamber that's located in the R&D facility of Paradigm Electronics. It's used to qualify all the speakers and components that go into speakers, woofers, tweeters. The anechoic chamber allows you to have a measurement that doesn't depend on the room you're in. If you're in a real room environment, you're going to get a completely different measurement each time you move the speaker or move your microphone. In an anechoic chamber, you get pretty much the same thing every time. We use a lot of correlations based on subjective experiments to come up with guidelines and rules as to what we're looking for when we're measuring a speaker, so that we're fairly sure that when we go to listen to it, we'll like the way it sounds and that it'll meet the standard that all of our speakers are meant to achieve.
Double-blind is the preferred route where not only does the listener not know what loudspeakers they're listening to, but the tester doesn't even know. You have no idea if it's a nice-looking cabinet or an ugly cabinet, if it's an in-wall speaker or a rock speaker. The only thing you care about is the sound.
We've also, through our own in-house talent, developed computer modeling techniques that are unique to Paradigm and really are instrumental in getting the performance that we do obtain from our products.
A 33,000 cubic foot private anechoic chamber, 2 double-blind listening rooms, and specially developed measurement systems. All of these tools serve to reach Paradigm's goal of providing the best sound. Whether you're looking for ambient sound in your garden or more powerful effects in your home theater, all of the speakers in all of Paradigm's collections meet the standards set by advanced acoustic research.
Each of the collections that we have has a standard, a bookshelf, floor standing, a lifestyle, or custom product to meet their needs. There's a classic collection, which houses the main core of the Paradigm speaker lineup. There's a reference collection, which is a step up in performance, build quality, and sound quality. And the signature collection, which is the top of the line.
As you step up through the Paradigm line, you're always going to get that great sound, great performance, but you're getting kind of more refined aesthetics, nicer finishes, better power handling. The materials that are used as far as the drivers and cabinets get a lot more high-end. That price-performance relationship is always there.
Value at every level. Up and down the price spectrum, you'll always see high-quality design and engineering. As you grow with Paradigm, you'll enjoy a broader dynamic range, more power, and always great sound. With ongoing acoustic research under the same roof as the designers and technicians who make the speakers, it's clear how Paradigm came to be the better brand in audio.
That's really the key for Paradigm. At every size, at every price point, we're trying to deliver the maximum possible acoustic experience.